Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, towing package, aluminum wheels, running boards, heated side mirrors, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, remote trunk release. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.